Samsung's next clamshell foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, is shaping up to be a major upgrade, especially in one key area, the cover display. A new leak from a reliable source has revealed that the outer screen will be significantly larger than before, making it the biggest cover display ever seen on a flip phone. This change is expected to improve usability, giving users more control without needing to unfold the device constantly. The latest information comes from display industry expert Ross Young, who confirmed that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will have a 4.05-inch cover screen. That is a 19% increase over the 3.4-inch display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and larger than the one on the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, which had held the title for the biggest outer screen on a flip phone. This new design is a significant change from previous leaks, which suggested that the Flip 7 would look nearly identical to its predecessor. Now, it appears that Samsung has completely redesigned the external display, opting for a full-cover approach that seamlessly surrounds the rear cameras. A larger cover display means users will have more functionality without opening the phone. They will likely be able to reply to messages, check notifications, and even run full apps more comfortably. This could make the Flip 7 a more practical option for people who want a foldable phone but don't always want to unfold it for quick tasks. Beyond the screen, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to bring key improvements in performance and battery life. It is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, which should provide faster speeds and better efficiency. Samsung is also reportedly increasing the battery size to 4,300 mAh, a big jump for the 3,700 mAh battery in the Flip sticks. This could help counteract the extra power demands of the larger cover display and allow the phone to last longer on a single charge. While the design update is exciting, some other details remain unclear. Samsung has not yet confirmed if the phone will receive any major camera upgrades. The Galaxy Z Flip series has traditionally featured a dual camera setup, and while improvements in image processing are expected, hardware upgrades remain uncertain. Additionally, durability is always a concern with foldable phones. Samsung has steadily improved the hinge mechanism over the years, and it will be interesting to see if they introduce new durability enhancements with this model. With these upgrades, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be Samsung's most refined flip phone yet. It seems to be taking on the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra directly, competing in both design and functionality. Samsung has consistently led the foldable market, and this latest model could solidify its position by offering a more practical and powerful flip phone experience. The official announcement is expected to take place in July, alongside the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. More leaks are likely to emerge in the coming months, revealing additional details about software features, camera specs, and pricing. If Samsung delivers on these rumored improvements, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be the most compelling foldable phone to date. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have you ever wondered when your Samsung phone or tablet will get its next big software update? Well, the wait might not be as long as you think. Today, we're talking about Samsung's latest announcement, the official rollout of One UI 7.0. Let's break it all down in simple terms so you know exactly what to expect. Samsung recently shared some exciting news. They're expanding the One UI 7.0 beta program to more Galaxy phones and tablets. But that's not all. They also revealed when the stable version of this update will be available for everyone. So when can you expect it? Let's find out. The stable version of One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, is set to roll out in early April 2025. If you own a Galaxy S24, you're in luck because this series will likely be the first to receive the update. After that, older devices will follow. But before the stable update arrives, Samsung is opening the beta program to a bunch of devices. These include the Galaxy A55, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the Galaxy Tab S10 series. Now, let's rewind a bit. The Galaxy S24 series was the first to get the One UI 7.0 beta update. The first beta was released in December 2024, and since then, Samsung has rolled out 3 more beta updates. There might even be a couple more before the stable version is ready. So, if you're part of the beta program, you're getting a sneak peek at what's coming. So what's new in One UI 7.0? A lot. This update brings a massive design overhaul. Think of it as a fresh coat of paint for your phone. There's a new quick panel UI, smoother animations, and transitions that make everything feel more polished. The icons have been updated, and there's a new now bar that shows your ongoing activities. It's all about making your experience smoother and more intuitive. But that's not all. The camera app has been completely redesigned. Now it's easier to access all the controls with just one hand. Plus, there's a new battery icon and charging animations that make keeping track of your battery life a breeze. If you want to dive deeper into all the features, check out our full article linked in the description. Now let's talk about what this means for you. If you're a Samsung user, especially with a newer device, you're in for a treat. One UI 7.0 is packed with updates that make your phone look better and work smarter. And the best part, you don't have to wait too long to get it. But here's something to keep in mind. While the Galaxy S24 series will get the update first, older devices might take a little longer. Samsung usually rolls out updates in phases, so don't panic if your device doesn't get it right away. Patience is key. And if you're someone who loves trying out new features before everyone else, you might want to join the beta program. It's a great way to test out the latest updates and provide feedback to Samsung. Just remember, beta versions can sometimes have bugs, so it's not for everyone. So what's the bottom line? One UI 7.0 is a significant update that brings a fresh look and improved functionality to your Samsung device. Whether you're excited about the new design, the redesigned camera app, or the smoother animations, there's something for everyone. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thinking about upgrading your Samsung Galaxy A55? The new Galaxy F56 5G is here with a brighter screen, a faster processor, longer software support, and quicker charging. But are these upgrades worth making the switch? Let's break it down in simple terms. Samsung has kept the premium glass back and metal frame, but has made the F56 5G lighter and thinner. It still comes with IP67 water and dust resistance, being splashes and minor dips in water won't be a problem. While the overall design remains the same, new colors like awesome graphite and awesome light blue have been introduced, giving users fresh options to choose from. When it comes to the display, the F56 5G has a slightly larger and brighter screen compared to the A55. It measures 6.7 inches, an increase from the 6.6 inches on the A55. The brightness has also been improved, going up to 1,200 nits from 1,000 nits, making it easier to use outdoors under direct sunlight. Both phones feature a full HD plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and animations. The F56 5G also introduces AI-powered features that could enhance voice recognition, battery life, and camera performance. On the camera front, both phones have the same rear setup, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. However, there's a difference in the front-facing camera. The A55 comes with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the F56 5G has a 12-megapixel front camera. Although the megapixel count is lower on the F56, the inclusion of video HDR and noise reduction technology could lead to better selfies in low light and improved video quality. One of the biggest differences between these two phones is software support. The A55 5G comes with 5 years of updates, while the F56 5G extends that to 6 years. This means the F56 5G will receive Android updates for a longer period, making it a better long-term investment. The processor has also been upgraded from the Exynos 1480 in the A55 to the Exynos 1580 in the F56 5G. This should bring better efficiency, AI-powered improvements, and slightly faster performance for gaming and multitasking. Both phones are equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life. However, charging speed is where the F56 5G stands out. The A55 supports 25-watt charging, which can charge up to 50% in about an hour. In comparison, the F56 5G supports 45-watt fast charging, allowing it to reach 50% in just 30 minutes. This means less time plugged in and more time using the phone. So, should you upgrade? The F56 5G is the better choice if you want a faster processor with better efficiency, a brighter display for better outdoor visibility, improved video recording with HDR and noise reduction, 6 years of software updates instead of 5, and 45-watt fast charging instead of 25-watt.